Hi guys, my name is Joisha and this is my first YouTube video. So yeah, let's get right into it. So today I thought it'd be, really fitting just to do a camera unboxing. And yeah, so I got this tripod. It came in like a bundle, and then I got just a card reader for it. And so let's see. Alright, here it is. And then just to open it up. So alright, honestly I'm really excited to kind of start my content creation journey because I've been wanting to for a while, but I procrastinate. So oh my god, it's so pretty. Ooh, let's see. I might have to charge it, but ooh, yes. And I've honestly really just wanted to kind of get into photography more because it's always been an interest of mine, but I've just never really pursued it. So I feel like a camera will definitely help with that. Oh no. Yeah, okay, I have to charge it, but as well as SD cards, charger, and then what's this? Oh, yeah, more like charging dock. Okay, there's that, and then the tripod. I mean, I already know what it's gonna look like, but might as well just to see how it looks on there. Oh, perfect.
Wow.
It comes in a bag because obviously, like, I have to buy a camera bag, right? But the one that I wanted, like, it was gonna come for like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, and I'm impatient. Okay, like, the camera came in a few days, so why does the bag, if everything was supposed to be a bundle, come so much later? And yeah, so I just didn't get it, but we'll see. Okay. Ooh. All right. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. I have no excuse, honestly, to like not film content now, other than the fact that, when you work, you get tired, or, just pure laziness. But other than that, yeah, this video is not going to be super long. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like and share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.